Hello there, my lovely friend. How are you? How have you been these last few days? I hope you and your family are well. If you don't know me, my name is Dr. Susan McGregor. I'm a scientist. Through a touch of spa invoking, I help you look as attractive as possible so you can boost your self-confidence and be the woman you want to be. I'm so certain that what I do can help you that I actually guarantee my treatments. Don't believe me? Head on over to touchofspa.co.uk and find out for yourself. See the pictures, see the reviews, see the guarantee. It's all very real, and you can benefit too. But for right now, I'd like to talk about makeup. Remember when you were a teenager, how much fun it was experimenting with makeup? And when you wore it, it was just for fun. It was great, wasn't it? In your 20s, wearing makeup was still fun, but for me, I was pretty busy at university and pretty poor, so makeup was something I wore on a special occasion, maybe a special date. And in my 30s, I worked in different countries, and yeah, frankly, I ignored my skincare. And in hindsight, my skin took a beating. But you don't notice that, do you, when you're actually in your 30s? No, we don't. Except when you start to notice those fine lines around your eyes. So you start wearing a bit more makeup, don't you, to cover it up. Moving on, though, in your 40s, life is truly busy with your home, a young family, and work. And in the back of your mind, you start worrying, don't you, about those large pores that you're seeing on your face. Maybe you also start getting a bit of adult acne. Does that sound like you? And without even noticing it, you start wearing foundation and you slip into the habit of wearing makeup all the time. But all your friends are doing it too, so it's the norm, isn't it? But if you stop to think about it, you are feeling like you have to wear it, aren't you? And because you are wearing makeup, maybe you don't notice that you're actually getting more lines and that your skin feels dry and looks dull. Maybe all you notice is that, well, you have to spend more time putting on your makeup. Anyhow, you pop into a beauty salon for a brightening facial and think, well, that's it, that's sorted. And life is busy, and when you look at your face in the mirror, you still just see the large pores. Sometimes you do notice your skin looks dull, and you notice that you look a bit tired. Moving on. Now you're in your 50s, and there's no denying those lines. Makeup has become a chore, something you have to do, you must do, regardless of how you feel. And you notice the more makeup you wear, the worse your skin looks, don't you? And you do try to take care of your skin, but nothing really works, not properly. So you begin to believe that skincare is all a hoax, it's about marketing, that it's too late for you. But I'm here to tell you that regardless of your age, regardless of what your skin is like, it's not too late. You're still wearing moisturizer, aren't you? And you still know that you have to protect your skin from the sun, don't you? Deep inside, you know that you still want to look better than you do. That you're fed up with having that dry, flaky look you get when you wear makeup, of having even the fine lines on your skin super emphasized by the makeup you feel you must wear. Isn't that so? Now don't get me wrong, I have nothing against makeup. The point I'm trying to make is that your makeup can only look as good as the skin that is beneath it. So if your skin is dry, if you have adult acne, it's going to show through your makeup. You know what I'm saying is true. You've experienced it, haven't you? I'll tell you something. I'm in my 60s. As I said, I like makeup. I do think it's a bit of fun. And I totally love wearing lippy and doing my brows. I heard recently from someone who looked at one of my videos. She thought my makeup had been very cleverly applied. She wanted to know who was doing it. To be honest, it made me laugh, because I don't just talk the talk, I walk the talk. My skin was the guinea pig for doing my skin treatments, and I perfected those personalized treatments using my skin. I offer those personalized treatments now to you. What you see in my videos, therefore, is very much what I actually look like. So today, I thought we'd have a bit of fun, and I thought I'd prove it to you. Look, I'm going to take this damp cotton pad. I'm going to squeeze it, can you see, to get the extra water off it, because I don't want water dripping all over me. Open it up again, and I'm going to show it to you. Do you see? It looks white. It's perfectly white. It's perfectly all right. Now, I'm going to wipe my skin. Yeah? Give it a good old wipe. Oops. Can't go too much on that side because I've got the microphone there. But I want you to see. Do you see? Still perfectly white, no makeup. Look on the other side. Perfectly white, no makeup at all. There you go. See? I am telling you the truth. Ooh, my skin's wet though. For me, it's been such a relief to get to the point where I don't have to wear makeup. I just wear my moisturizer. I put on the makeup I want to wear just because I want to, because I think it's fun. So my lippy and my eyebrows. That's it. Now, don't go away and think that that's fine and dandy for me, but it won't work for you. That's just not true. If you look at my Facebook page or on my website, you'll see what I used to look like, and you'll see for yourself how much better I look now. Let me encourage you to take the first step today, the one I figured out and took when I began my own skincare journey. That's right. I'm sharing with you what I did for myself right at the start. All you have to do is to go to touchofspa.co.uk/cheat sheets and download your cheat sheet. And it's all there. It's there for free for you. You don't have to go out and buy anything. You don't have to go to a beauty salon and do anything. It's a skincare routine that gives you step-by-step, crumb-by-crumb instructions. It can help to manage your dry skin, I promise. It only takes 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes in the evening. And you have 2 minutes, don't you? It's plug and play. You don't have to think. It tells you exactly what you have to do and how to do it. Just follow the simple instructions and that's it. Go on, try it and see. Head over to touchofspa.co.uk/cheat sheets and grab yours today. You're very welcome. And don't forget to share it with your friends and your family and your work colleagues. Let's support each other. I mean that. Let us support each other. Till next time, stay safe, stay well. Bye now.